Are you tired of seeing more hair in your brush than on your head? Does your hair feel weak, lifeless, and thin? What if I told you that a simple DIY hair oil could completely transform your hair and bring back its natural thickness, shine, and strength? Today, I'll show you how to make homemade rosemary oil, one of the most powerful natural hair growth remedies. This oil has been used for centuries, and even modern science backs up its incredible benefits for hair regrowth and scalp health. So, if you're struggling with hair loss, slow growth, dandruff, or thinning, watch till the end, because I'll not only show you the step-by-step recipe, but also the best ways to use it for maximum hair growth. Trust me, this one simple habit can make a huge difference. Before we start making the oil, let's talk about why rosemary oil works so well for hair growth. It stimulates hair follicles. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation in the scalp, meaning your hair follicles get more oxygen and nutrients, leading to faster and healthier hair growth. It fights dandruff and scalp infections. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of rosemary eliminate dandruff, itching, and irritation, making your scalp the perfect environment for new hair to grow. It prevents hair thinning. Rosemary blocks DHT, a hormone responsible for hair loss, helping to prevent thinning and keep your hair strong and thick. Did you know? Studies have shown that rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil, a common chemical treatment for hair loss, without any side effects. So if you want long, strong, and luscious hair, this DIY rosemary oil is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to make this powerful hair growth oil. The best part? You only need a few simple, natural ingredients. Fresh or dried rosemary leaves, packed with antioxidants that stimulate hair growth. Carrier oil, coconut, olive, or jojoba oil, helps nourish, hydrate, and protect the hair. Glass jar with lid, for storing and infusing the oil. Peppermint oil, optional. Boosts circulation and adds a cooling effect. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, making our DIY rosemary oil. Follow these steps carefully for the best results. First, if you're using fresh rosemary, wash it thoroughly and let it dry completely. Moisture can lead to spoilage, so make sure the leaves are totally dry before using them. Once dry, chop the rosemary into small pieces or crush it slightly to help release the natural oils. Now, take 1 cup of carrier oil and pour it into a small saucepan. Heat it on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Tip: the oil should be warm, not boiling. Overheating can destroy the nutrients, so keep the flame low. Next, place the chopped rosemary leaves in a clean glass jar and pour the warm oil over them. Stir gently and close the lid. Tip: for maximum benefits, let the mixture sit for at least 24 hours, but for best results, leave it for 2 weeks. After the infusion period, strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean glass bottle. Now, your homemade rosemary oil is ready to use. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will last for up to 6 months. Now that we have our rosemary oil, here's how to use it for best results. Scalp massage. Take a few drops and massage into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to improve circulation. Overnight treatment. Apply before bed and wash off in the morning for deep nourishment. Hair mask. Mix with aloe vera or coconut oil for an extra boost of hydration and strength. Add to shampoo or conditioner. If you don't like oiling your hair, just add a few drops to your regular shampoo. Avoid applying too much to the scalp if you have an oily scalp type. Use 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. And that's it! This homemade rosemary oil is a simple, powerful, and natural way to boost hair growth and stop hair fall. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY hair care remedies. Comment below if you're going to try this out.